Hello and welcome to LIFEUPSC AIM In this YouTube channel, I am going to address one prevailing question among UPSC aspirants. The question is how to effectively make notes from the newspaper. See, making notes from the newspaper can be a difficult process, but be assured it will be very helpful for you in your preparation. Now, coming to the answer for this question, note making from the newspaper can be divided into two types. One is for the prelims exam and the other one is for main exam. For prelim exam, you need to make sure that any unheard fact which get reported in the newspaper should be noted down by you. The unknown facts might be of economic terms which get reported in the business page in newspaper which gets reported in foreign page of Hindu. Other than that, scheme launched by union minister can be noted down by you. Rather than just noting down, you need to make sure that you do a little bit of background analysis of topic and note is also in your note, so that in the proceeding days to your prelims you can revise and re-revise the note which you have taken from the newspaper. This is about the note making strategy for prelims. Now coming to the most important part for main current affair oriented topic are frequently asked in the paper 2 and 3. To say the truth, nearly 2/3 of the question asked in the UPSC main exam in the GS2 and GS3 paper are